Deep beneath the Arctic ice, the Greenland shark swims in near silence, yet it harbors a little-known acoustic mystery. Researchers have recently uncovered that these ancient predators produce low-frequency sounds, barely audible to human ears, possibly for communication or sensory navigation in the frigid, dark abyss. These sounds are shrouded in an enigma, as the Greenland shark's habitat is so remote and harsh that human interaction is scarce. Nevertheless, scientists are using underwater microphones and data from previous expeditions to study these elusive underwater songs. Such research not only enhances our understanding of the Greenland shark, but also uncovers hidden elements of the ocean's soundscape, inviting further exploration into the acoustic wonders of the deep.